Hello learners, in the first part we have studied history, structure, chemical properties and physical properties of rosmarinic acid. We have also studied sources, extraction and bioavailability of rosmarinic acid. In this section we shall study health benefits of rosmarinic acid. Rosmarinic acid has antioxidant, anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial activities. The antioxidant activity of rosmarinic acid is stronger than that of vitamin E. Rosmarinic acid helps to prevent cell damage caused by free radicals, thereby reducing the risk of cancer and atherosclerosis. Rosmarinic acid is used to treat peptic ulcers, arthritis, cataract, cancer, rheumatoid arthritis and bronchial asthma. Although the combined total of the chemical constituents in each plant contributes to its medicinal effects, rosmarinic acid is increasingly being identified as the major anti-inflammatory and immune modulating substance. Rosmarinic acid can be administered orally and no adverse drug interactions have been reported. Nausea or mild stomach upset has been reported in sensitive patients in associations with its oral intake, and it is therefore recommended that rosmarinic acid be ingested with food. Now, these are the health benefits of rosemary. We shall be studying this one by one. First is anti-allergenic activity. Rosmarinic acid possesses natural anti-allergenic properties. The naturally occurring plant compound is known to reduce inflammation and allergic responses and is therefore indicated in the treatment of asthma and allergies. Rosmarinic acid relieves allergy symptoms by preventing the activation of immune responder cells and by inducing apoptosis. Natural flavonoids like rosmarinic acid only kill off excess allergy activated immune cells, while leaving the vast bulk of responder cells to fight off bacteria and other foreign invaders. Lemon balm has antihistamine effects, thus it can be used externally by placing the cut grass on insect bites or other irritated areas. Rosmarinic acid as part of chemical composition of lemon balm is effective in relieving symptoms of atopic dermatitis. Now, second is anti-diabetic effect. Rosmarinic acid improves glucose utilization and insulin sensitivity. Rosmarinic acid shows efficacy in ameliorating some aspects of diabetic neuropathy. Rosmarinic acid shows insulin-like effects in insulin target cells. Rosemary extract and rosemary extract polyphenols exhibit protective properties against hyperlipidemia and hyperglycemia. It exhibits decrease in cellular glycogen content and increase in glycolytic rate. Now, the third is antiviral effect. Rosmarinic acid reduces the viral replication within the brain and secondary inflammation resulting from microglial activation, thereby suggesting its potential for treating encephalitis. Both the antiviral and anti-inflammatory effects of rosmarinic acid are essential for reducing the severity of diseases induced by encephalitis. Fourth is memory enhancer. Rosmarinic acid is effective in aiding memory as a possible treatment for Alzheimer's disease. Pre-treatment of rosmarinic acid can improve the development of memory loss, and this enhancement may be related to the beneficial effects of rosmarinic acid on some of neuronal pathways. The extracts from spearmint and rosemary have beneficial effects on learning and memory and brain tissue markers of oxidation that occur with age. Now, fifth is anti-cancer agent. Rosemary extract and rosmarinic acid have both been reported to have antioxidant, anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. Rosemary and its various extracts containing carnosol, carnosic acid, ursolic acid and rosmarinic acid can suppress the development of tumors in several organs including the colon, breast, liver, stomach as well as melanoma and leukemia cells. Now, sixth is rosmarinic acid for kidney. Rosmarinic acid can prevent ischemia, reperfusion injury in the kidneys by decreasing oxidative stress. Rosmarinic acid increases the activity of superoxide dismutase, catalase and glutathione peroxidase. With the decrease in melanodialdehyde, rosmarinic acid inhibits the expression of nuclear factor kappa B and tumor necrosis factor alpha, indicating the inhibition of inflammation. Additionally, rosmarinic acid exhibits anti-apoptotic activity through the reduction of p53, phosphorylated p53 and active caspase 3 expression in the kidneys. Rosmarinic acid ameliorates CP, that is cisplatin induced oxidative stress, inflammation and apoptosis in the kidneys. Seventh is control of body weight and dyslipidemia. Rosmarinic acid extract shows significant reductions in total cholesterol, phospholipids, triacylglycerols and atherogenic index. Additionally, the co-administration of the extract may also protect against DNA damage demonstrated by the absence of genetic material fragmentation. Rosmarinic acid could decrease the level of DNA induced by ethanol. Now, eighth is cardiovascular diseases. Rosmarinic acid improves the cardiac performance and inhibits post myocardial infarction myocardial depression due to its antioxidative properties. Rosmarinic acid restores cardiac function following myocardial infarction by enhancing the cardiac contractility, improvement of hemodynamic parameters and amending cardiac electrical activity. The compound also prevents myocardial infarction induced myocardial necrosis and fibrosis. Now, ninth is gum bleeding controller. A herbal mouthwash containing rosemary, calendula and ginger extract helps reduce gum bleeding and swelling in people with gum disease when used twice daily after meals for 2 weeks. The herbal mouthwash seems to work about as well as antibacterial mouthwash containing chlorhexidine gluconate 0.2%. Now, the last part of this rosmarinic acid, that is potential uses of rosmarinic acid. Rosmarinic acid in meat industries. Rosmarinic acid is favored in meat industries for enhancing the quality of meat products by reportedly improving shelf life and imparting desirable flavor. Rosmarinic acid is a natural feed additive in promoting growth, productive and reproductive performance, feed utilization, fertility, antioxidant status and immunologic indices. Furthermore, rosmarinic acid reportedly reduces the risks of various animal diseases and mitigates side effects of chemical and synthetic drugs. The next is rosmarinic acid in bakery products. Lemon balm is a natural source of rosmarinic acid. The lemon balm extract rich in rosmarinic acid can provide advantageous functional properties to bakery products because of its antioxidant, antibacterial and antifungal activity. Now, the third is rosmarinic acid in food preservation. In Japan, the perilla extracts rich in rosmarinic acid is used to garnish and improve the shelf life of fresh seafood. Next is rosmarinic acid in eye drops. Taken together, rosmarinic acid is a prospective anti-cataract agent that probably delays the onset and progression of cataracts induced by sodium selenite. Now, dear learners, let us conclude. Rosmarinic acid is a plant-based compound found in a wide variety of spices, but most well known for being the active ingredient in rosemary and perilla oil. Throughout history, rosemary has been famous for its medicinal properties and its ability to improve memory. Rosmarinic acid is an ester of caffeic acid and 3,4-dihydroxyphenylactic acid. Rosmarinic acid has antioxidant activity which is stronger than that of vitamin E. Rosmarinic acid helps to prevent cell damage caused by free radicals, thereby reducing the risk of cancer and atherosclerosis. Rosmarinic acid is used to treat peptic ulcers, arthritis, cataract, cancer, rheumatoid arthritis and bronchial asthma. Studies have further ascertained the capability of rosmarinic acid to work as an antimicrobial, immunomodulatory, anti-inflammatory, hepato and renal protectant agent, as well as to have beneficial effects during skin afflictions. Additionally, rosmarinic acid is favored in meat industries due to enhancing the quality of meat products by reportedly improving shelf life and imparting desirable flavors. Rosmarinic acid is also used for food preservation. In Japan, the perilla extracts rich in rosmarinic acid is used to garnish and improve the shelf life of fresh seafoods. Thus, we have seen that rosmarinic acid is not only has health benefits, but also potential uses in food industry. Thank you.